Now to Kaduna, where the State House of Assembly has initiated a probe into the loans, grants, and project implementation during the administration of the former governor, El-Rufai, from 2015 to 2023.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, for all those who will support their parents, whether they do good or bad, I think this video is actually for you. As reactions has continually trailed the exposition by the Speaker of the Kaduna State House of Assembly, who has gone ahead to escalate the threats and intimidation by Honorable Bola Elrufai, the first son of the former governor of Kaduna State, in person of El-Rufai. Yes, this comes on the wake of the recent probe by the Kaduna State House of Assembly on the former governor of Kaduna State in person of El-Rufai, as the WhatsApp message of threats and intimidation that was sent to the Kaduna State House of Assembly by El-Rufai's first son has gained media attention for everyone to see.
Well, in the wake of the recent probe of the former governor of Kaduna State, El-Rufai's 8 years in office by Kaduna State House of Assembly, the Speaker of the House, Honorable Yusuf Liam, on Wednesday warned El-Rufai's son, Bola El-Rufai, from threatening and intimidating the House. Bola, who is a lawmaker representing Kaduna North Federal Constituency, is the first son of El-Rufai. Honorable Liam expressed worry that Bola sent insulting and subtle threat messages to him via WhatsApp over the probe of his father. In a statement on Wednesday, the Kaduna House of Assembly, in a series of tweets, wrote that shortly after the committee was established, Bola El-Rufai took to social media with 2 tweets now deleted, calling for a fight and disrespecting the entire legislative arm of government. The screenshots of the tweets and messages have been widely circulated, causing concern among the citizens of Kaduna State. The Assembly went further to state that attempting to obstruct the law functions of the State Assembly, the Kaduna State House of Assembly wants to reassure the good people of Kaduna State that it remains steadfast in its commitment to serving without fear or favor. Threats and intimidation from anyone, including federal lawmakers, will not deter the Kaduna House of Assembly from its pursuit of justice and accountability. The Assembly remains resolute in its mandate to provide checks and balances and uphold the rule of law in Kaduna State. You know I'm coming to you. I mean, this is a federal lawmaker threatening. The other time it was Bashir El-Rufai.
We're praising him.
We're praising him that he was
himself.
But now we are seeing.
So I think maybe there are levels to these things.
Yes.
With the governor, he would distance, but with the speaker, that according to that WhatsApp message that was screened, he was instrumental to him emerging as Speaker of the House. But let me say that when it comes to obstruction of justice or investigations, as we see, if it's not the governor coming to shield a former governor, then we have a son coming to defend his father, and even if it takes that, threatening members of the House of Assembly in Kaduna State that, for what they've done. And I think this is such a show of shame. And if you saw in that WhatsApp message, it was even saying you can screen grab the WhatsApp the message. It just shows a reign of impunity. Just the fact that you can do certain things and get away with it. I hope that the Speaker of the Kaduna House of Assembly will report to the IG of Police, especially because a threat was, in his claims, he was threatened. He had mentioned that if he comes to his ward, he would handle things. What are they afraid of? This is a big question.
That's the question.
What is former Governor El-Rufai afraid of? Why? They're not asking, they're not saying that they want to investigate. They want to ask questions.
They're not saying
the truth is that come out, it's just in the spirit of integrity as leaders.
I love
what kind of leaders do we have in this nation where you're not even willing to present yourself and have the opportunity to defend yourself as to how you spend the money of the people of Kaduna State? And instead, to be fair, the father has not said anything. It's the sons who are fighting the battle of their father. But it is a show of shame, and it is irresponsible, especially for a federal lawmaker. And I do hope that the people will question him, the people he represents in the
Absolutely. Well, they should know that no matter what, this probe will continue. If they like, they can send insults as much as they want. They must not be intimidated. The probes, and I love the probes will continue.
You've seen it for yourself. Now, it seems like a traditional thing for our past governors to always run away from probes. As a lot of Nigerians has come out to ask, why should they keep running away from probes? I thought that clear conscience fears no accusation. This seems to be what is becoming traditional among our past governors. Just like a few days ago, we heard that Yahaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State, sneaked out of an EFCC plan to get him arrested after getting a court order from the Abuja Federal High Court. It also happened to Rochas Okrocha. It has happened to many governors. And just a few hours ago, I also heard that the EFCC has gained a court order to go ahead and arrest, to prosecute Willie Obiano, the former governor of Anambra State. This seems to be what is actually going on. And come to think of it, why should such actions be coming from people who call themselves lawmakers? For goodness sake, Bola Elrufai is the first son of the former Kaduna State governor in person of El-Rufai, and he's a federal lawmaker in the National Assembly right now, sending WhatsApp messages of threats because I think they all believe they are above the law. Do well to hit the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the actions of Bola Elrufai, who is the first son of El-Rufai, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. Really not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.